Energy Transfer is known for its diversity in fin tube products. It's also known, for our capability, for our customization, for our unique designs, our working with the customers so closely. Since the fin tube manufacturing is very customized, that also means that the equipment is customized. And so what we find in the industry is that there is a undersupply of the right pieces of equipment. Energy Transfer has a very large capacity with equipment. We are on a regular basis, we have capital improvement plans every single year that puts more equipment, more processes into the industry to increase that supply and diminish that demand, which of course, when you have more opportunity, more processes, more pieces of equipment, that will create a lower cost to the customer. So we are a company that focuses on having the right amount of equipment, the right amount of pieces, the right amount of people in the supply chain to create the right environment for the product. When you're talking about supply chain, we become a vital part of that. In fact, we work best with our customers when we are considered a part of their manufacturing process. That means there has to be a high level of communication, a high level of cooperation. So we need to know, and we can work together with our customer to understand their specific needs. Our salespeople are trained to ask the right questions, and it really does start all the way from the quoting phase. Even from the estimate, from the quote, when we're talking about and building that relationship, then we want to be aware of what issues and what supply chain problems that our customer is experiencing. When we know those things, then we can support that the right way with the right product at Energy Transfer.